Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Voyager luggage lock. First, locate the small reset button, usually found on the side or bottom of the lock. Next, ensure your lock is set to its current opening combination, whether it's the factory default of 000 or a code you previously set. Then, using a pointed object like a pen or a straightened paperclip, firmly press and hold this small reset button. Now, while continuously holding down that reset button, carefully dial in your desired new 3-digit combination. Take your time to select a code that is both easy for you to remember and difficult for others to guess. For instance, avoid very simple sequences such as 111 or 123 to maintain good security for your belongings. Ensure each number aligns perfectly. Once your new 3-digit combination is perfectly aligned, you can now release the reset button. This action locks in your new code. To confirm the reset, scramble the dials away from your new combination. Then, re-enter your newly set code and attempt to open the lock. It should click open smoothly, confirming the successful reset. If your lock doesn't open with the new code, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire process from the beginning, ensuring you hold the reset button firmly and dial precisely. Always make a mental note or safely record your new combination. Practicing the reset process a couple of times can help you become more familiar and confident with securing your Voyager luggage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.